Rhode Island's now former House Speaker will take his fight for a seat on the High Court to court. Joe Shekarchi gave up one of the most powerful jobs in Rhode Island last month. He did that to seek a lifetime appointment to the state Supreme Court. But is that allowed right now? Good evening. I'm Patrice Wood.
I'm Gene Valicenti. Despite his successor's glowing praise, the former speaker has been hard-pressed to shake his critics. NBC 10 political reporter Brian Cranston following up for us tonight. Brian?
Gene, Patrice, Joseph Shekarchi today lost his attempt at the State Ethics Commission to have them drop a complaint and investigation into his bid for that judgeship. His lawyer then gave immediate notice that they'll now take the debate to court. Any thoughts on backing out of this process?
None whatsoever. I'm not a quitter.
And now Joe Shekarchi's bid for a state Supreme Court seat could potentially end up at the Supreme Court. Shekarchi is taking the fight to court before the State Ethics Commission makes its decision on whether his potential move straight from the legislature to the High Court violates Rhode Island's anti-corruption revolving door law. The law requires lawmakers to wait a year before getting most other state jobs. There is an exception if you get elected to a constitutional office like governor. Shekarchi argues that means the Supreme Court, too.
That's what the law says. That's the way the law has been interpreted, and no one has tried to change that law at all.
He resigned as House Speaker last month to seek the open court seat. That same day, Roger Williams University law professor Michael Yelnowski filed an ethics complaint. The Ethics Commission voted to look into it, and today denied Shekarchi's arguments to drop the matter.
I think if the commission was going to rule against Representative Shekarchi, it was always going to end up in court.
A court ruling would finally settle what Yelnowski thinks is still an open question. 6 years ago, the Ethics Commission, against the advice of its own staff, let a sitting senator go to the Supreme Court, but never put its decision in writing.
We'll continue this argument in the next forum.
So you were planning to go to court. You were ready to go to court before today.
A good lawyer prepares for every contingency, and I have good lawyers.
And Shekarchi was one of 5 people to apply for the open seat on the Supreme Court. The state's Judicial Nominating Commission has scheduled interviews with all 5 of them in late July. That commission would then send a list of recommended candidates to the governor. The governor's choice then needs approval from the House and Senate. But it looks like this will play out in court first. I'm Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News.